In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook ads leads to Pipedrive, fixing any existing errors. This process is essential for streamlining your lead management and ensuring that no potential clients slip through the cracks. So let's dive right in and make sure your CRM is working as efficiently as possible. First, you'll want to navigate over to Pipedrive. Open your web browser and type in the URL to access the Pipedrive website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to try Pipedrive for free. Click on the Try It Free button. This is great if you're new to Pipedrive or setting up a new account for your business. From here, enter your email address in the designated field. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your Google account to make the process even smoother. This integration is especially helpful for those who prefer to manage fewer login credentials. Once you've entered your email or opted to continue with Google, click on Continue to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your full name. It's important to provide accurate information so that your account can be set up correctly and all future communications and records are addressed properly. After entering your name, you'll need to choose your job title. This step helps Pipedrive tailor the experience to best meet your business needs. Next, you'll also be asked for your phone number. While optional, providing a contact number can help in securing your account or providing additional verification if needed. With these details in place, click on Next. This will bring you to the dashboard where you can see the interface of your new Pipedrive account. Look for the Leads tab and click on it. This is where all your incoming leads will be displayed. Next, head over to the messaging section. Here you'll find the option to connect. Click Connect to link your Facebook ads account. This step allows Pipedrive to automatically import leads generated from Facebook ads into your CRM. After you've established the connection, click Next to proceed. You'll then get a prompt that requests your permission to integrate your accounts. This is a standard procedure ensuring both Pipedrive and Facebook know you've authorized the connection. Click Allow and Install, and then continue over to your Facebook account. Make sure you're logged into the same Facebook account associated with your ads to avoid any confusion. This completes the setup. Once everything is connected, your leads from Facebook ads should start appearing in your Pipedrive account. Now, you're all set to manage your leads efficiently, enhance your sales operations, and ultimately drive growth for your business. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.